Welcome back, YouTube, to another YouTube tutorial. Today I'm bringing you a mid bald fade. So we're gonna get right into it. We're starting in with our number 2 guard. We're gonna go ahead and start up by cleaning up our canvas and making sure every single hair is cut. As you see, I'm not gonna go more than below like half the vertical bars, just because you want to be efficient, and overall that's gonna go, it's gonna be bald. So why am I gonna waste my time? And you're gonna see how I do it. It's gonna help you save time and be efficient with the haircut. See, I'm not going lower than where I'm going, just because my highest is a 2 and it's gonna be a mid bald fade. So going in with our lever closed, no guard, we're gonna go ahead and set our first initial guideline. And as you see as well, I'm not gonna go over anything below that, because I'm gonna go in with the trimmers and shave all that off to save time and be more efficient, so you could get a quicker haircut and still make it look clean. Now with our lever open, we're gonna go ahead and set in our second initial guideline, going about an inch, flicking out as well. Try not to set nothing too harsh. And originally I would have done the whole head, but just for the sake of this YouTube video, I'm gonna do half the head and then do the other half throughout the video, just so you guys can see step by step. But originally, in an actual haircut, I would have done the steps I'm doing, I would have done it all around the head, again, just to save time. Now closing our lever again, we're gonna go ahead and knock out that line we just created, flicking out using the corner of our blade as well. And you see, I'm constantly pulling his scalp just to get a clear vision and see what I'm working with, and eventually take out any lines that there is. I just want to say thank you as well, YouTube. You guys been showing so much support on this channel. We're almost about to hit 400 subscribers. Thank you guys again. Honestly, I did not see this growing quick, but thank you guys again, and let's keep growing and overall helping each other. Now you see me with my trimmers. Like I mentioned, we're gonna save the time and then just go in really balding out. And this is gonna help you not create any guidelines, because remember, we went in with our lever closed, so then it's just gonna blend right in. Now going in with our one open, I'm gonna create our third initial guideline, starting to blend into our highest guard, which was the 2. So we're gonna go in, create that initial guideline, and end up flicking out so we don't create nothing too harsh and eventually blend into the two. And you see I'm turning the clipper as however the hair grows, you know, in the front by the lineup, it starts growing towards his head, like down. So that's why you see me turn the clipper and make sure that those hairs are really getting cut and getting fed into the clipper. Now we're going in with our two closed, just flicking out and making sure we soften up that line, so eventually we'll go in and blend it. Now with our one closed, we're gonna go ahead and begin to knock out that guideline we made with our one, using the corner of our blade as well. Now with our half guard closed, I'm gonna go in and flick out that line, and this is gonna be the final step to take out the guideline. As you see, it's already coming together, just lever plane and taking out any dark spots we see as well. YouTube, if you apply all these steps, pulling the scalp, flicking out, and not going in too harsh with your balders, I kid you not, it's gonna be the best system that you're gonna have without any trouble. Everything's just gonna blend in easily and smoothly. So if you apply these three things, you're gonna see a difference in your craft. Test it out for yourself, YouTube. This is why I do these videos, to help you guys and get more efficient. Now, what you do to one side, you obviously do to the other, YouTube. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this fast forward and let you guys watch this rest of this tutorial. So now we're just proceeding with the lineup. We started with the vertical bars, and now we're going to start from the middle and work our way to the right, and then eventually work from the middle again and start our way to the left. And as you see, you're just tapping and going, you know, nothing crazy. You don't want to push the lineup back. Just tap and go, and make sure that lineup is nice and symmetrical. Then we're gonna go in using our Tune 45 shave gel. You see me apply just a bit. You don't need too much. A little bit is all you need. I'm gonna go ahead and pull the scalp using our blade at a 45-degree angle to get that nice finished look that you're gonna want. Last but not least, we're gonna go in with our shavers, and like I mentioned, we're gonna make everything bald and get that last touch to make the blend pop. But that was the end of this video, YouTube. If you liked this video and you found this video helpful, I know you guys were asking for a bald fade, so I gave it to you guys. And this is the finished look, the mid bald fade tutorial. I hope you guys learned a lot from this video. Again, use these 3 steps and it'll help you become more efficient on your haircuts. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Check out my Instagram. It's Angel Barber, and I'll catch you guys on the next haircut tutorial. See you.